Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to log into your Wegmans account. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Start off by open a web browser and type in wegmans.com and search. You will then end up in the official website of Wegmans. Click on the sign in/register button at the top right hand corner, which will then take you to the sign in page. In the sign in area, you will be prompted to enter your email and password. Go ahead and enter your email address associated with your Wegmans account in the first text box. Once you type in your email, on the next field, type in a password for your account. If you don't remember your password, you can click on this Forgot Your Password link and follow through the on-screen prompt. After filling in both of your credentials, click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your Wegmans account. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.